The Chugwater Chili Kitchen. Today we're going to be making another recipe out of our Chugwater Chili cookbook. It is our smoky and spicy snack mix, and that is on page 44. It's sort of a twist on the traditional cereal snack mix that we're all used to making at the holiday time especially. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take 6 tablespoons of butter and just go ahead and put that in a microwave safe bowl and melt that in the microwave. While that's melting, we're going to go ahead and measure our cereals. We're going to use 3 cups of each of our types of cereals. So we have a Corn Crisp, like a Corn Chex. And here's our rice. Stuff is just addictive. And then the last cereal is the wheat. And putting this all into this microwave safe bowl, we're just going to go ahead and cook it in that in the microwave. We're not going to have to do it in the oven, so there's no extra pan to dirty up then. All right, and then we're also going to use 1 cup of our mixed nuts, and we've just got classic cocktail nuts there, with the full variety in there. So 1 cup of those. And 1 cup of pretzels. About. Don't have to be perfect with recipes like this. All right, check our butter here. Into that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. How many of you wish you could say Worcestershire sauce on camera? None of us know how to say it, do we? Okay, there's 1 and 2, just going straight in to the butter. And then for this recipe, we're using our steak rub. It adds a really nice smoky flavor on top of this Chex Mix. And in this, we're going to do 1.5 tablespoons of the steak rub. There's 1, and you can just eyeball it. You don't have to be perfect with any of it. And 1/2. Go ahead and stir that up well. And then just pour it on top of your cereal mixture. The Super Bowl's coming, you guys. This is a great snack to use for your Super Bowl Sunday. Give it a good stir, make sure that it's all coated well. You can use your hands. Sometimes that's easier. Now we're going to go ahead and put this into the microwave. We're going to cook it for a total of 6 minutes, but we're going to stir it every 2 minutes. So I'm just going to set it for 2 minutes. We've just finished our 6 minutes of cooking in the microwave. As you can see, it's just turned a little bit golden brown in there. So all you have to do now is let it cool and serve it up in a dish and enjoy it. Great snacking. Have a great day, you guys.